Hi, I'm Tricia Pierce. I'm the instructor here at Caddo Kiowa Technology Center in the Digital Marketing Design program.
Are you ready to develop the creative and technical skills it takes to thrive in today's fast-paced digital marketplace? In this program, students begin to build a strong foundation with essential computer skills and Microsoft Office training. From there, they move into industry-standard design tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, learning how to bring their ideas to life with professional quality visuals. With a strong emphasis on hands-on projects, every lesson is designed to give students real-world experience. They'll not only master the software, but also learn how to create designs that stand out, grab attention, and communicate messages with impact. This program gives students the confidence and skills they need to move forward, whether they're preparing for college, launching into a creative career, or simply looking to stand out in today's digital world.